I'm Jackie.
And I'm Chad.
I'm boss one.
And I'm boss one.
No, he's boss two. Rentals. We have been here since 1999. We are the epitome of family owned. Our three daughters have been raised on these docks. Any regular customer, and we have plenty, could tell you exactly who they are. And we're just thankful for the returning customers we have, the new customers that we have.
Boater safety checklist that allows you to get your temporary boater's license with us today. You're just going to read through each line and initial on each line and then continue on to the back.
We do have 16 pontoon boats that are super easy to drive for first-time renters. You can read our reviews. It should give you a little insight into what kind of a business that we run here. And
so this bottom part right here allows you to have your temporary boater's license on the water today. Once you're finished filling it out, you're going to take a picture of it, and then if you do get pulled over today, you'll show them this license from us.
so we have 16 of these lovely pontoon boats here available for rent for you and your family in 2, 4, 6, and 8 hour increments with a reservation in advance. They can hold anywhere from 8 to 12 people depending on the size and weight of your passengers. Your drivers are going to need to be 18 with an ID. We give you plenty of instructions. You don't have to worry about new drivers. They're nice and chill, slow, cruising around boats. You can bring a cooler, have some lunch, get off and swim if your motor's turned off. You can do some fishing or crabbing for the kids to keep them happy.
I want to emphasize the propeller is very dangerous. If anybody ends up in the water, please make sure that you turn the engine off. In the meantime, directly on top of the propeller, there's a black flap. Johnny's going to go ahead and lower that down real quick. You're going to see a white important sticker on top of that flap. That white important sticker right there. Just going to put that 4 inches below the surface of the water. That's the highest that the motor can operate. That's right about there. If you ever do decide to drop that anchor, there's 2 things I want you to do. Number 1, turn the engine off. Number 2, look around you. Make sure there's nothing to go to the swimming. When you're done, bring the anchor back up. Put it right there. 12 adult life jackets, 6 on this side, 6 on the other side. There's 4 dock lines and your fire extinguisher if you need it. Going into this first arrow right here, when we get you out of here, I'll tell you to turn the boat on and throw this throttle to the first click forward. You'll feel the engine engage, you'll feel this click into place. That's going to be your idle speed until you pass those points. You raise and lower the motor. I'm going to lower it all the way down. Listen for a change in pitch. You hear that difference? Yep. That means that it's all the way down. Everyone has to be within the gated area while the engine is on. Nobody can be out front on the bow, nobody can be out back on the stern, and nobody can be on that flat hatch right behind.
So as you can see here, the pontoon boats are super easy to drive. You have a nice easy loading dock. Unloading, you're just going to go straight out into the bay. Everybody around here, you have 7 miles of the Assawoman Bay to enjoy the beautiful scenery, and everything has to be back before sunset. Our hours vary depending on the day and the time of the year, but we are open 7 days a week in between Memorial Day and Labor Day.
See you guys at 12:10.
Thanks. Bye.
turn the engine off? All right. How was it out there, guys?
Wonderful.
Good, good. Glad to hear it. Let me get you guys tied up, then we'll get you out of here, all right?